I'm about to show you a brand new way to make a lot of money online for free just by using Google Translate. An important thing to note here is that you must follow my basic and easy instructions. You should also know that this requires no expertise or experience, and the best part is that it is completely free. In addition to that, the fact that it's available worldwide, regardless of your location, is also amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where I teach you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload the video about my methods to make money online, you're the first to know about it. Also, hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. So, without any further ado, let's jump right in today's video. Now, you can instantly start making money online using today's strategy. When it comes to the amount of money you can make, it totally depends on how much time and effort you're putting in, but generally speaking, a person can earn anywhere from $25 to $100 by translating one file using Google Translate. So, it's simple math now. Depending on the number of files you translate, your earnings multiply. If you translate 5 files, you can earn up to $500. Similarly, if you translate 10 files, you can earn up to $1,000. Just know that the website that I'm going to talk about today has huge earning potential, and you can do it again and over again. Now, the first thing I would like you to do is to go visit the website ladium.org. I'll mention the link to this website down in the description box. However, before you go straight to the website, there are a few important things I'd like to teach you, which include how to sign up to the website, how it really works, as well as the process and training. Just so you have an example of what you should really do before you go ahead and test it for yourself. Now, firstly, I'd like to show you the website's reward offer. Ladium.org offers a lot of earning potential, and there's a lot of money to be made. In addition to that, there are a lot of fun chances for people from all over the world. As you can see here, people all over the world are making money from the ranges of $1,000 to $5,000. So let me briefly demonstrate how it works before showing you how to sign up. Initially, when you sign up for this website, you will be able to browse through other projects comparable to the ones I've just shown you. There are several initiatives, offers, and jobs that you may participate in order to earn money in USD, Bitcoin, PayPal money, and a number of other payment ways in your country. They pay you within 24 hours, which is pretty fast, and they always pay you on schedule, so that's actually reliable considering there are a lot of scam websites on the internet. Step 2 is to complete the project, after which you can submit the said work using the Ladium contract and contract management system, which I'll explain in a moment, so stay tuned. Step 3, which we all enjoy, is that we can get paid straight immediately. So after work has been inspected and authorized, your cash will be released to your Ladium wallet within 24 hours. So let me show you how you sign up by visiting ladium.org. Once you type ladium.org in the search box, you'll be brought to the official website of Ladium. After clicking the I Want Work button, you'll be required to provide your email address, then click the I'm Not a Robot button, and then the Sign Up button. So once you're logged in, go to Browse Projects, and you should be able to see all the different projects that you can participate in. You have the freedom to choose whatever you want, and you will be paid for it. The only issue is that there are so many projects and tasks to complete. I know that many of you, including myself, have no prior expertise with, say, graphic design, website development, or software development. The good news is that you don't need any prior expertise or understanding to perform this. All you have to do now is get started and concentrate on translation and languages. So, on your dashboard, click on this translation and language link. You may see that there are additional translation and language projects that you can accomplish right now. As you can see, simply translating languages like Korean to English or Russian to English can earn up to $1,000. Just for a better understanding, I'll show you some examples of projects that you can receive and earn money online in a moment. For instance, you might obtain an English article like this one and try to translate it from English to Portuguese in exchange for $500 to $1,000. They'll pay you in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or other currency once you've accomplished your assignments. You can get paid in US dollars, bank transfer, PayPal money, or Payoneer. There are numerous payment ways available on this page. In fact, comment below what payment method do you prefer in your country. Now, let's suppose an article is available to you and it's in Korean language. So, what you can do is translate this article into English and get money online. I do understand the fact that many of you are from different parts of the globe and may not be able to communicate in many languages, but don't worry. I'll teach you how to use Google Translate power to perform all the work for you and automate the process so you can make money over and over again but you must follow my procedures. So firstly, go to Google Translator. Now, as you can see, you should be able to comment on the answer by typing in and copying and pasting the language right here on the left, and it should automatically translate the language into English. An alternative is going to translate.google.com, and as you might have noted, this page is much larger and easier to deal with. So first on the left, it says detect language, and over here, you want to paste the text when you get your job. You can see here that you can copy everything, so all I have to do now is right click and copy this one, and then I'll go back to Google Translate and paste everything right here on the left. As you can see, it automatically recognizes Korean as the language. This means that Google Translate will auto-detect the language and translate it into English. Therefore, I'll copy everything and just paste it. Alternatively, you can just click on this copy button right here and they open a new document by clicking on this button. Then, I'll copy and paste my English translation into this new document. What I'm going to do next is copy all different sections of the text and paste them into Google Translate just so they can get translated and then paste them to the new file that you just created earlier. You can use this way to repeat the process, or you can just submit the complete paper. As you can see, you have the option of copying and pasting the content. You can also click on the document right here and browse your computer to upload the complete Google document to this translator, which will instantly translate the entire article, which we can send to various jobs and offers. They will pay you a good sum of money for your work, and if you're lucky, you might receive some Spanish, Japanese, or even Korean language work, where they pay you around $500 to $1,000. All you have to do now is repeat the procedure. So let's assume I'm going to highlight and copy this Russian language. After that, I'll return to Google Translate and put it right here, and the translation will convert it into English language. It's a pretty basic procedure that I feel everyone can do. Don't worry, you can complete it on your phone or computer. So just go to Google Translator and have the software application do all the work for you. With that being said, this is it for today's tutorial. If you have any past positive experiences or questions about this website, mention them in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.